No battery left, stuck running on.
Si Roshan, simula siya, maliit. Napakalambing niyang bata noong maliit. Gusto niya laging nasa tabi ako. Naku, maiiyak ako. Gusto niya laging nakatabi sa amin pagtutulog. Nung maliit pa siya. Kaya kahit pinagawa namin siya ng room, ayaw niyang doon matulog. Pero habang lumalaki naman, so nagbabago din. Ngayon, nagsosolo na siya. So may time lang na talagang naglalambing, pumupunta sa kwarto namin, ganon. Tapos humihiga doon. Ganon siyang klaseng bata.
Mabait siya, malambing. Lagi pagka may gustong hilingin, andito lagi si Daddy.
Keep your head up, keep your head up high. Keep your head up, keep your head up. The sun's setting on me. They try to break you down. Still your energy. There's no way.
Ang pinaka-proud ko na masasabi is, lalo sa ibang tao, magalang siya sa ibang tao. Ganon siyang klaseng bata. Basta may nakita siya nakakilala, ganyan, binabati niya. Ganon siya.
Keep your head up, keep your head up high. You only got one life.
Ang best banding namin Roshan ay habang kami kumakain, gusto niya pagka-isda ang ulam namin, pinagtatanggal ko siya ng tinik dahil hindi kaya ng kanyang mami. Ako lagi ang kanyang hindi sanay eh.
Minsan makulit, minsan mabait. Magkahalo po, pero okay lang. Hindi mo po lagi, pero dumadaan pa rin po sa pag-aaway lagi. Pag yung pupunta po ng mga car meet, ganyan, kasi parehas po kami mahilig sa kotse. So when it comes like music, dancing, and stuff like that, we get bonding there.
Through the highs and the lows, but sometimes you gotta let go. Oh. Keep your head up, keep your head up high.
Happy birthday, Roshan! We love you!
Sobrang saya. Kasi nung time na yun, asa abroad kasi ako eh. Laging wala sa tabi nila. So malayo lagi ako. Ang mimiss ko lagi. So tinitibayan ko na lang love ko para sa kanila.
Keep your head up, keep your head up.
Ang Roshan kasi, ang meaning niya is shining light. So kaya yung napili ko sa kanya. Which is hindi ko naman alam dati na character pala siya sa isang parang games, ganyan. Kasi gusto ko start with letter R. And then ayoko na maging common yung name niya. Yung Roshan is hindi ko siya masyadong naririnig. And then yung meaning talaga niya is maganda dahil shining light.
We got so wrapped up in the clouds we fell through.
I'd just like to say I love every minute with you. We have spent a lot of time together and I hope there's a lot more. Every year with you I've gotten better and you've gotten better and I'm really excited to see where things go with us. And happy birthday, mahal kita.
Roshan, palaging mapagmahal. Always stay talented and confident since I know that you can do it.
Roshan, palagi maging God-fearing and mapagmahal. Palagi kang magtiwala sa mga plano ng Diyos. Palagi kang maging mapagkumbaba.
Take me back to when we just died. Think it's time that we said fuck it. Red light, let's run it.
Ang maipapromise ko sa kanya, basta lagi lang kaming nandito para sa kanya. Kung ano yung mga pangangailangan niya, hanggat kaya namin, ibibigay namin. Kung ano yung the best na kaya namin ibigay.
Mapapromise ko lang is, no matter where she is, her kuya is still there. And when it comes to studies and stuff, I can help her. And the work and stuff, I can just help her and stuff like that. Yeah.
But you sold that car the year you finished school. Now stopped wearing that.
Roshan anak, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo, sana'y matupad ang mga pangarap mo. Laging nandito si Daddy, si Mami, para matupad ang pangarap mo. Kung ano man ang problema, andito pa rin si Daddy. Alam mo naman yun, dahil kahit anong hilingin mo, kaya ni Daddy na ibigay niya. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Roshan, my baby.
We just want to stay this young for every day the bills keep coming. All the bullshit we're all stuck in. Take me
everyone. Welcome and thank you for being here. Celebrate this very special day. Your presence makes this occasion even more meaningful and memorable for our family. We hope you enjoy the evening filled with love and little laughter and wonderful memories as we celebrate Roshan's journey into adulthood.
Hi Roshan, happy birthday. I pray you happiness. Time flies so fast talaga. It feels like just yesterday we were making silly TikTok videos in the cafeteria at Star Magic. And now you're officially an adult. Although it's been a while, I hope you know that I am still a friend that you can always rely on. And Ate Roshan, adulthood can be quite scary, but I'm sure you'll do just fine with all these loving people around you and especially with God by your side.
You sold that car the year you finished school. Now stopped wearing that faded pair of shoes. We got so wrapped up in the clouds we fell through.
Roshan, ang wish ko lang is just stay who you are. Your kuya is always here. When we finish studying, we'll both be lawyers. We'll be both successful in life. And we'll help each other to be successful. That's it. You just be yourself all the time. You're the best sister ever. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Roshan! You're officially an adult!
Happy birthday, Roshan! We love you! Happy birthday, Roshan! We love you!
Happy birthday, Roshan!
This is what it feels like at the top. This is what it feels like.
Sana lagi kang maging masaya at lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay, lahat sana matupad. Alam mo naman, lagi lang kami nakasupport sa'yo since bata ka. Lahat ng gusto mo mangyari, andyan lang kami palagi. Hanggang paglaki mo, hanggang sa magkaroon ka ng pamilya, lagi pa rin akong nasa tabi mo. Yun ang maipapangako ko sa'yo na hindi kita pababayaan. Happy birthday, anak, and I love you.